Have you ever wondered if it was possible to hardwire your Ring alarm keypad? Well, I'm here to tell you it is, and hang around and I'll show you how easy it is to connect.
Step one after you've removed the existing keypad from the wall is to locate the low voltage wiring coming out. You're going to see you'll have at least four wires. Sometimes there's a fifth wire, but in my case, there's only four. You don't need the green or the yellow. These are data wires, and the Ring keypad does not use these two wires to communicate. It communicates via Wi-Fi. The wires that you do need are the black and the red. These provide power to the Ring keypad. Um, Once you locate these wires, and if you don't have an existing keypad and you ran low voltage wiring instead, you would be at the same step. You would just locate the wires that you have ran to the location where you're going to put your Ring keypad, and you tie off the green and the yellow, and sometimes there may be a blue wire, so you can tie that one off as well and just put them aside. So now that you've located the wires, the next step is going to be installing the converter to provide power or take the power from these existing wires, and then bring the power to your Ring keypad. So that's what we'll do next. Okay. So at this step, what we're going to do is take the converter and attach it to the low voltage wires that are coming out. All you need to do is match up the two colors. So the red wire from the converter goes to the red wire coming out of the wall. So what you want to do is just tie these up. Make sure you have enough of the jacket strip so you can get a nice tight seal around it. So once the red wire is attached, you move over, attach the black to the black. Doing the same thing. Make sure you got enough sticking out so you can wrap it around tightly. Once you have them connected, what you want to do is take some electrical tape and tie them up tighter. Get them nice and tied up. You'll do the same for the black, and then the next step is going to be putting these wires and the converter in behind the wall, and then you're going to attach the plate for the Ring alarm keypad, because you no longer will need this. Once these are connected, the only thing you're going to need is this wire sticking out of the wall that will connect to your keypad, and then you're good to go. So the next step will be taking the bracket and attaching that to the wall, and then we'll be good to go. Since the only wire that's going to be now sticking out of the wall after you've put everything behind the wall is this, what you want to do before you put your faceplate on is just line up where your faceplate is going to be. With the existing holes you have, you might have to jigger it around a little bit. But what you want to do is make a little mark in the middle of where this is going to sit, because what you want is to have this wire, coming through the wall down here, because the way that it's designed with the back of the keypad is that this wire will fit nicely behind it as it sits in the cradle. So that'll allow you to take the keypad off if you wanted to and disconnect this wire so you can carry it around, as it still will be operating on battery, because this will not only power it, but it will charge the battery as well. So what I'm going to do next is attach this faceplate, and then we'll come back and we'll attach this to the keypad, put the keypad in, turn the power on, and we'll see if we got power to the keypad, which we should. Okay, now that we got the bracket on, it's time to attach the Ring keypad to the wire into the bracket. Basically, this wire that's coming out of the wall will plug into the back of the keypad, and then there's a little groove that the wire runs through to hide it, and then it just sticks up on the bracket and we're good to go. Okay, there we have it. Keypad is in its bracket. You can see it's receiving power. Green light flashing saying that the battery is being charged. It's flashing now just because it's not obviously set up, not connected to the Wi-Fi. but it is getting power, and you can see the only thing that's exposed is the little black wire we have coming out of the back, out of the bottom. That's the only thing that you're going to see, but from this angle, when you look at it, it's pretty neat. Looks just like a regular alarm keypad, getting constant power, and that's how you do it. All right, so thanks for watching, and remember to click on the link below. It'll tell you how to purchase the converter, and feel free to leave any comments if you have any questions. Good luck. Take care.